Stop by and take a look at the 2022 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, tow hitch, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, power mirrors, active grille shutters, stability control, tire pressure monitor, remote keyless entry, rear wheel drive. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.